Hey, I'm Natalia.
We know who you are. Stop it. Just kidding.
I'm Emily. My name is Emily. I'm Grace.
My name's Tyler.
I'm still Natalia. 16 years old.
I was waiting for you to fall off the bed.
Today we exploded a watermelon. It was fun. Good experience.
Indeed.
Yeah.
There's a purpose behind it, though.
There was a purpose, though.
We don't just go around doing that kind of
Take
stuff.
it away!
Okay, so Bob's basically like one of the father figures that we have at our youth group, and I don't know, he's just had such an impact on all of us that we want to do something for him since he was just diagnosed with pancreatic cancer.
So we thought exploding a watermelon would be to his benefit. Kind of like people chuck ice on themselves for the ALS bucket challenges.
And we did it with rubber bands, so
It
we
was
didn't just
great.
blow it up.
And my hands are dying, it's fine.
There were
We got all stickers.
Yeah,
It was a good time.
But
But anyway, we will have a GoFundMe page down below.
Plus the video. The video.
So
of the
feel free to donate to the cause.
I mean, anything is better than nothing.
Anything helps.
Or just read the
Take
story.
what we-
If you
yeah,
want, just
just
take a
like
moment
share
to
it.
read
They
the
don't-
story and share it on
If you
Facebook.
would share it, that would
Everything.
you'd be my best friend.
And all your social
Sharing.
media is like
Sharing is
Facebook.
caring. Put the link in your Instagram bio.
Twitter.
Watermelons for Bob, because I will.
Yeah.
Without further ado, let's get into it.
Oh, there he
He
goes.
slid. Okay, you know what? Good enough, kids. Well,
You want to count how many we're putting on or no? Okay, I don't know if this is gonna go. Hold on. You know, you're not invited. So funny. Harder than I
This is going on the video. This is all. What does it take? Oh. Oh my gosh, look at this. I'm terrified.
Guys, we should like fist bump right before it explodes and then go like that.
I don't know if we're
How
gonna
are
be
we
able to
gonna
know.
know?
We don't know. Like it's gonna like.
Let's put the rest of it. Okay, just stay standing. The process is actually happening. So I can actually run away. I'm so excited for this. I know, me too. There's so many. Oh no, my hand! No!
I'm watching after each stack of like 9.
Oh my god, I'm scared. This is
Guys,
just
stop being
taking
so
it so
girl.
much.
Jeez.
I want to move like everything away, but I like don't want to at the same time. Go. Okay. Oh my god. Guys, I'm so glad we got a long one because the round ones would be so long. That would be pretty bad. Oh my gosh, it's getting like. Guys, look, it's frothing. It's frothing. Look at us, there's bubbles coming out of it.
Oh my gosh.
Look, somebody take a picture and tell Brendan it's frothing.
Frosting.
He froths
Brendan
milk.
frosts milk at the Crumble Cafe.
He wanted it to come like- Ah! It cracked.
I can't.
He was afraid
It's
for this.
literally about to explode.
This is horrifying.
Look at this thing.
Oh
my god.
It's
I
like,
can't.
Look at it, it's bubbling.
You ready?
Someone's gonna get hurt.
It's like dripping. It's all. Oh my god, no, I can't.
So yummy looking.
Hold on, wait, look up. You have like a chunk right there. Amazing. Amazing.
Smiles!
Wait, Tyler, you have to come smile with us.
Okay.
Everybody hold up a piece. Yeah, okay. Oh, we're done.
Whoa.
Those headphones.
So good. It's so good. That was the scariest moment of my life.
No,
Awesome. I am
like drenched in watermelon.
Yep.
Wow.
Man.
I have towels.